Welcome! In front of me I have Apple Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this watch. To force restart this watch, simply press and hold the crown button and the side button together and keep holding them until you see the Apple logo on the screen. So, let's press and hold the buttons together, keep holding them. And once you see the Apple logo on the screen, you can release both buttons and wait until the watch is done rebooting. And as you can see, we are back in the system. And that's how you force restart this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.